I'll show you how you can reset your Messenger pin on Messenger. So on your Messenger app here, you want to tap on the 3 bar icon here. Now on here, you want to tap on the gear icon here. Now once you tap on the gear icon, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you find privacy and safety. On privacy and safety, you want to go to end-to-end encrypted. Now on here, you want to go ahead and go to message storage. On message storage here, you want to go ahead and go to reset pin here. Now on reset pin here, you can tap on create your new pin. So for example, I want to tap my new pin to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you'll have to confirm your pin. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put in the exact same one. After that, it'll load for a couple of seconds and then it'll reset your pin, right? And you can see pin created. And now we have our pin resetted into a new one. You can also tap save key in Google Drive if you like. But of course, if you want to do that, just tap on reset pin here to reset the pin. And then that's that. You're done.